second grade friends. This is Mrs. Brad here. So sorry I have to be absent today, but I wanted you to continue with your drop color leaves. And so I just wanted to remind you about the process and how we went about doing this, because it's been, I guess, 2 days since I've seen you. So we're using our watercolor. Remember, for this, you have to wet your leaf first, right? So I'm going to wet my leaf entirely. I'm going to stay inside my pencil lines, just like that. And then I'm going to put a little puddle in my water palette, in my watercolor palette, and then I'm just going to drop the color in. Then I can change my color and just drop the color in just like that. So last time, remember, we talked about moving the paper, and if we move the paper, then our watercolor will move as well. Another thing we talked about was adding more water to it. If we just drop some water in, then our watercolor will also move. So what about your other leaves that have dried? Maybe you want to add some more to that. You can. You can just add some water on top. When you add water on top, it's going to activate those watercolors, and then you can drop some more colors. Maybe I want to drop a little brown in there this time. So you can add to your other watercolors leaves that are dry as well. All you have to do is just put water on top first. Okay, my paper is wet, so it is going to go in drying rack number 3 because it needs to lay absolutely flat. If you are all done, if yours is completely dry, then what you can do is you can cut out your leaves and glue them onto some construction paper. I have all the supplies that you're going to need for today in the second grade section. I only want you to cut out your leaves if they are dry. If they're wet, then we'll need to wait until the next time we're together to cut them out, and that's okay too. I think the majority of us are still working on painting our leaves, and if you want to take some time today to make sure those look absolutely the best you can make them, then you can do that today. Okay, have fun, second grade. I'll see you after Thanksgiving.